Cloud computing is sort of this long history of advances in computer science. But to really answer the question, it's sometimes really important just to stand back a little bit further and just say, well, what's actually computing and what do we expect out of it? And in the end, it's not that difficult. We expect value. If we don't make the world a better place, don't make businesses run more efficiently, don't give people new function, all of it's sort of moot. Open means having a fair playing field for everybody to be able to compete and be able to cooperate. And clouds will succeed because they let people have value and bring value to everybody. And the really neat thing is, unlike just the open source movement, where it was the question of, is my software available? I now have that option to provision a service to you, still keep the things that I do well, which is maybe a cool algorithm, maybe it's how to solve complex computational problems to attack cancer, whether it's to write the coolest next game. But the cool thing is I can let you play that game or benefit from that cancer solving system without giving up what I put into it. And that's really the power. There's just this potential for everyone's lives to be better. There's a real possibility where everything that we do and that we rely on computers for can become more efficient. We can have the ability to get rid of all those sucking up power supplies in the world and all that sound and stick them in a single set of places, make them run more efficiently, use less of our resources, and be accessible to more people and have more solutions and more creativity available to all of us. And cloud is really just the historical point that we're in, where the internet's out there and available and we don't have to build infrastructure to deliver computing to people. And we actually have gone through several generations of building computers, and we sort of start to know how to make them greener. We know how to start consolidating them, and then there's things like virtualization. And so to a large extent, cloud is just this conflation of all these things. Don't all of us deserve the benefit of a private cloud? Don't you want to run your own bank accounts and your own pictures and your own files? Don't you potentially want a private cloud for that? And yeah, if you want to publish some of it, great. But you should have that choice. Should private clouds just be reserved for big conglomerates? Or should we really be rethinking this stuff and saying, wait, there's privacy and there's openness and publicness, and how do we make these things happen so that everyone can have access to it?